Infinix Note 13 5G full specifications Buildos Android 13 OSWIMIUI 14 dimensions in awaitin a SIM dual standby nano SIM colors gray, blue, purple, green. Frequency 2G band SIM 1. GSM 850 900 1800 1900 SIM 2. GSM 850 900 1800 19003G band HSDPA 800 850 900 1700 AWS 1900 21004G band 1 2100 3 1800 7 2600 8 900 2800 5G band 5G SAW NSA. Processor CPU octa-core 1 by 3.2 GHz Cortex-X3 and 2x 2.8 GHz Cortex-A715 plus 2 by 2.8 GHz Cortex-A710 plus 3 by 2.0 GHz Cortex-A510 chipset Qualcomm SM8550 Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 nm G Quadreno 740. Display technology LPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1B colors, multitouch size 6.73 inches resolution 1440 x 3200 pixels approximately 521 ppi protection Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Extra features 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 1000 nits HBM 1500 nits peak. Memory built-in 128, 256 512ths of a gigabyte built-in, 8/12ths of a gigabyte RAM, UFS 3.1 Cardno. Camera main triple camera. 50.3 megapixels, f1.9, 23 mm wide 1.0, type, 1.6A micro M, dual pixel PDAF, laser AF, OIS plus 50 megapixels, f1.9, 48 mm telephoto PDAF, 2x optical zoom plus 50 megapixels, f2.2, ultrawide dual LED dual tone flash features like a lens, HDR, panorama, video 8K at 24 fps HDR, 4K at 30/60 fps HDR10+. 1080p at 3120 249/160 fps, 720p at 1920